Hey, babe.
Yeah?
What are we here to do today?
To finally unbox my Lectric XP.
And when did it get here?
It finally got here today.
Yes. After waiting weeks. Maybe over a month.
Yeah. And you got yours 2 weeks ago, and I've been patiently waiting for mine to get here.
So, now we are about to commence with the unboxing of it. So, let's get it.
Yes.
So there it is. The Lectric XP. And Krystal got the black one.
Forgot we got the bags, too.
Yeah. So, Lectric actually hooked us up with these pannier bags for the back of the bike. Lots of storage for your bike lock or your groceries. Look at that.
Nice. That's pretty rad.
Fantastic. What do we got?
Manual.
Okay. And a box.
In a box. Yeah, I guess this is kind of important, huh?
That would be the charger. Well, there it is. The black Lectric XP with some seriously beefy, different brand tires than mine. How excited are you right now?
I'm really excited. I'll be more excited once it's charged.
True.
And I put air in the tires.
Because you can't ride these until you fully charge the battery.
Yeah.
Which doesn't take too long. So there you go, guys. What's your name?
My name's Krystal.
And what did you just unbox?
My brand new Lectric XP.
In black. Yeah, be jealous. See you guys later.
Bye.